In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with your family members. Sharing a calendar can be incredibly useful for keeping everyone in the loop about family events, appointments, and important dates. Now let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Calendar website. Simply open your browser and type in Google Calendar. Click on the first result that pops up. Once on the page, you might need to sign in with your Google account, so go ahead and enter your email and then hit Next. After successfully entering your email, you'll need to type in your password. Do that and click Next again. Now that you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the main Google Calendar page. Here, locate the calendar you wish to share. If it's a family calendar, it might be labeled as such, or you might just have one main calendar under your account. To share this with your family, look for the three vertical dots situated beside your calendar name on the left-hand side. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Sharing. This option is where the magic happens. Here, you can configure how your calendar is shared and with whom. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Add People and Groups. This will allow you to input the email addresses of your family members, inviting them to access your calendar. When you're adding people, you can set different permissions for each. For instance, some might only need to see events, while others might need full editing capabilities. That's where the permissions section comes into play. After adding a family member, you'll be prompted to choose what level of access they should have. If you're unsure, you can start by giving them See Only Free Busy Access. This way, they can see when you're available without diving into details. Alternatively, you can grant Make Changes to Events and Manage Sharing if you trust them enough to make changes. Once you've selected the desired permissions for each individual, there's just one final step. At the bottom of the sharing menu, hit Send. This will shoot off an email invitation to each recipient, allowing them to accept and integrate your calendar with theirs. And that's it! You've now successfully shared your Google Calendar with your family. This simple feature helps streamline family planning and ensures everyone is on the same page when it comes to managing time and activities. So next time there's a family dinner, a birthday party, or any other significant event, everyone will know exactly when and where to be. Well done.